1, 2, 3. Watch the little bird. Magic topping. Chops it. We just rub.
Why is it
EvanEraTV.com.
Stay tuned to the end of this video for a special contest announcement. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 10 magic food tricks you can do at home. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button for me and let's go. This first one's an easy trick that you can do at home with something right out of the fridge. Okay, this is a super easy one that you can do at home, so you're just gonna grab an apple. You're gonna take the apple and show off your super strength. Take it like this and watch. 1, 2, 3, and split it right in half. 3. Stay tuned for the secret coming up next. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. So there's no gimmicks for this trick. All you need is an apple and this special technique of how you're going to hold it. Each apple kind of has a natural seam. You can see this one is right here, and you're gonna put your thumbs right on the seam, and then you're gonna pull in each direction, this thumb pulling this way, this thumb pulling this way, and your fingers are gonna go right at the bottom of the apple like this, and they're gonna push up. So the fingers at the bottom push up as these thumbs pull apart. It's just gonna split the apple right at the seams and look like you just magically rip it in half using your super strength. Try that at home and impress your friends and family. Ava, will you put some salt on that taco beef for me?
Oh my gosh, why is he making that sound? Is there something wrong with the salt? Why does he do that?
This is a special magic prank salt shaker. I've taken it apart so you guys can see exactly how it works. Down inside here is a little squeaker. When you go to shake the salt, it makes that funny little sound. It just slides down into that tube, and as it moves back and forth, it makes a really silly sound. You leave this on the table, they go to put some salt on their food. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win the magic prank salt shaker. I'm giving it away to one lucky comment.
Okay, check this out. I have a pack of Trident gum here. This is a really amazing food trick. So watch, I just hold it like this. On the count of 3, you can see something really crazy happen. 1, 2, 3, and on the count of 3, it turns into 2 separate packs of juicy fruit and double mint. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win this amazing gimmick. And also let me know if you want me to carry this trick on EvanEraTV.com. This is totally self-contained. There's magnets that hold these 2 packs of gum together, and these little flaps fold over just like this to complete the 2 separate packages of gum. The handling of the trick does require a little bit of practice, but stay tuned for the end of this video if you want to win this trick. I'm giving it away to one lucky comment in the comment section down below. Okay, this is the magic chopper. So I have a carrot right here. Just to demonstrate how sharp the chopper is, it's gonna slice through the carrot. Watch. 1, 2, 3, and it chops it right in half. See, the blade is extremely sharp. So watch, I'm gonna insert my finger right through. You're gonna see something magical happen on the count of 3. Watch. 1, 2, 3. It goes right through my finger, but look, my finger is totally unharmed. This is the Magic Finger Chopper, one of our fan favorites from EvanEraTV.com. We have these available now. It comes with everything you need to perform the trick. It comes with a little set of instructions for you. You can see the little metal blade right there in the middle. That is the entire secret to the trick. So in this position right here, you can take a carrot, insert it through, and actually use the blade to chop through the carrot. But when you flip the blade in the other direction, you're able to put your finger through, and the blade will actually rotate around your finger just like that. And it leaves your finger completely unharmed. You can even put the spectator's finger through it, chop their finger, and they won't feel a thing. So the illusion is created by the blade rotating just like that. And again, these are available at EvanEraTV.com. Pick up a magic finger chopper today and fool your family at home with a fun magic prank. Also, stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving one of these away to one lucky comment. Okay, this is the Magic Miracle Chocolate Trick. So check it out. We have a chocolate bar here. I'm gonna take the chocolate bar. You can see nothing in my hand. Watch, I'm gonna take the bar of chocolate, and we're just going to take off a piece of the end right here. Just chip off the end just like that. But look, if I just squeeze a piece, it just magically disappears. Now you might be thinking it's on the back. It's not. The piece is completely vanished. We come over here to our bar of white chocolate. We open it up. Check this out. We can actually take the piece right here. We just grab it, toss it to this bar. Now look, If I just rub, watch right here. The piece just magically restores to the white chocolate bar. But look, we'll take it off. We're gonna take it and put it right back on the proper bar. But look, it has a crack in it right there, right? Let's see if we can fix that. If we just rub. Just like that, it's fully restored. Now, we're still missing the piece on the white chocolate bar. So let's see what we can do about that. And just like that, the white chocolate bar is fully restored as well. Stay tuned for the secret of the trick coming up next. The secret to this one is all in the construction of the chocolate bar. It's super cool and amazingly visual. You can pull this little piece off, put it in your pocket, and then all you have to do is rub, and it looks like it just magically restores in an instant. There are many different effects that you can do with this, but the secret pretty much boils down to this. The entire chocolate bar folds just like that, so it looks normal from this side, but from this side it looks like a chunk is taken out. As I said, so many different amazing tricks that you can do with these magic chocolate bars. The possibilities are really endless, so stay tuned for the end of the video. If you want to win these, I'm going to pick one lucky comment from the comment section and mail this out to you. Okay, classic food magic trick here. This is the magic cookie trick. So you're gonna take a bite out of an Oreo cookie just like this. Watch. And just like that, the cookie is magically restored just like that. Okay, here is the secret to the magic bite out cookie trick. The secret is all built into the cookie itself. It's a spring-loaded cookie. It has a little rubber band built around the edge of it, and it will just spring back into place just like that. So all you have to do is fold the cookie down like this. You can see from a backside exposed view here, it just folds like that. You're gonna hold it in place with your thumb. When it looked like I took a bite, I wasn't actually biting the cookie. If you've been a long-time viewer of How To Magic, you know this trick. It is a fan favorite, and we have it available at EvanEraTV.com. They've been sold out for a while, but we have them back in stock right now. So once you've taken a bite out of the cookie, all you have to do is let go with your thumb when you're ready to restore it. And whenever you're ready to restore it, all you have to do is release with your thumb, and the piece on top will spring back into place. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win a magic bite out cookie. Okay, this one is a really cool little illusion. This looks like a little ceramic top hat, but it's actually a teacup. Or it can also be an espresso coffee cup depending on what your preference is. We have these available now at EvanEraTV.com. If you're a magician or you know a magician, it makes the perfect gift because, you know, it's a magic top hat. Great thing to set on your desk and have your morning coffee out of, or your tea. Or you can fill it all the way to the brim with coffee like this, and it really creates the illusion of it just being a little ceramic top hat until you come along and lift up the top to take a drink. Again, these are available now at EvanEraTV.com. Check out the link in the description to get your magic top hat today. Watch the little bird just tap his head and he'll make a toothpick magically appear. Thanks, buddy. This is the magic toothpick bird. A little toothpick dispenser. It's one of my favorite little magic gadgets of all time. Perfect thing to sit on your desk or your dresser. You can give him a name. Do me a favor, name this guy in the comments down below. Whichever name has the most votes, the most thumbs up, that's gonna be his name. You can get your own at EvanEraTV.com. You can name him, love him, and he will give you toothpicks forever. Oh, you'll have to refill his little tray occasionally, but it comes preloaded with some toothpicks, so you can do it right out of the box. Head over to EvanEraTV.com and get yourself a magic toothpick bird today, or stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving one away to one lucky comment. Okay, it is bonus trick time. This is an easy trick that you can do at home with a CD or old DVD. Okay, watch. CD bubble. Okay, here's all you'll need to set this up at home. A CD and some tape. You're gonna take the tape and put it in place on the front of the CD just like this. And then you're gonna use the tape to remove the film off the front of the CD just like this. You see it's gonna peel off just like that, so that all you're left with is the plastic of the CD like this. And then once you have the film removed from the CD, you're going to take a lighter, heat up the plastic of the CD. You can see it'll start to heat up just like that. Now obviously if you're a kid, you need an adult supervision with this. You're gonna heat it up until it starts to melt just like that, and then you're going to blow sharply right on that spot. TD bubble. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it as well. Thumbs upping the video really does help the YouTube algorithm. It helps the video get more views, helps the channel get more subscribers. We are on that road to 3 million YouTube subscribers. Thank you for all your support on the channel. Be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is our online shop. We have a ton of really cool magic tricks. The link for that is in the description of this video, EvanEraTV.com. If you have a Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, be sure to follow me on all of those platforms as well. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. If you want to win any of the magic tricks that you saw in this video, be sure to leave a comment down below and be subscribed to the channel. All you have to do is hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and be subscribed to EvanEraTV with your notifications turned on. That is, tap the little notification bell after you hit the subscribe button. Subscribing to the channel is free and you'll see all of our videos as soon as we post them. Leave me a comment down below. Today's keyword is magic. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. Be sure to hit the thumbs up on the video and leave your comments down below. Okay, special announcement time. We are having a major contest. This is the first ever EvanEraTV Magic at Home video contest. I want to see your magic tricks. You guys have been watching me do magic for a long time. Now I want to see you do some magic. Since we're all at home right now, I thought it would be a great opportunity for you to make a video showing me your best magic trick. It can be something that you came up with yourself, something you learned here on How To Magic, or someone else's trick that you've practiced a lot. Submit your videos to this email address right here by May 17th. We'll be publishing an episode of How To Magic on May 22nd featuring your top 10 best videos. Myself and a panel of celebrity judges will determine which video will take home the top prize. And the grand prize for the video is 2 free VIP tickets to our very first How To Magic live show. The date of that is to be announced. A $250 shopping spree on EvanEraTV.com and $250 cash. The first runner-up will receive a $100 shopping spree to EvanEraTV.com, and the second runner-up will receive a $50 shopping spree. Not only that, but your videos will be featured in an episode of How To Magic and broadcast to millions around the world. So record a video on your phone or your camera at home of you performing your favorite magic trick and send your submissions to this email address right here, EvanEraTV.contest@gmail.com. You can put whatever you want in the subject. Just be sure to attach your video to the email and include your name so that me and my panel of celebrity guest judges can review and evaluate your submission. Full details of the contest are in the description of this video, and I look forward to seeing all of your amazing magic. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.